Hey everybody, John Burroughs with AlarmSystemStore.com. I'm here to talk to you in this video today about our alarm systems. They're not just for burglary anymore. You can attach a lot of different things to these systems that will help protect you and your family from other things than just thieves. They'll help with environmental issues as well. You can attach fire and smoke devices to these alarm systems. They'll let you know and notify you in case of a fire in your home. Another thing that you can hook in these systems are carbon monoxide detectors. I've seen these placed by places like a furnace, anything that has a pilot light, and also by the bedrooms. Just in case that one is breached, it gets back by the bedrooms, you'll have a second protection system there so you don't happen to pass away in your sleep from carbon monoxide poisoning. Really good to have on your system if you've got like a gas furnace or anything like that. Another thing that's really good that you can attach to these systems are flood detectors. And these mount usually near the floor and just barely above the floor, and if water comes in contact with that flood detector, it'll set off an alarm condition and let you know, hey, water's coming in the house, we need to do something about it. Another thing that we can do with the burglary alarm systems are temperature sensors. We have a fixed variety and then varying temperature ranges that you can monitor. The fixed variety basically are used mostly for freeze detection, like say you want to make sure your pipes don't freeze in your house when you're gone away in the wintertime or whatnot. This can alert you if that happens. Really nice thing to have if you're living in the northern territories and whatnot. So other stuff that you can add to these burglar alarm systems are home automation devices. The Honeywell makes it really nice because they have the Tuxedo touchscreen keypad, and you can use that in conjunction with a hardwired Vista 20P or a Vista 15P system, and the keypad actually features a fully functional Z-Wave home automation control. It'll work with all your Z-Wave devices, door locks, blind controls, lighting controls, thermostats, and really good. I mean, you can automate some of this stuff in your house, save you a little bit on your energy costs. So those are really neat features to have. The DSC kind of does it a little bit different. You already have to have an existing Z-Wave home automation control, but they sell an IT100, which basically bridges your DSC system to your home automation control, and when your DSC system goes through various system functions, it'll send signals over to your home automation control and have it do things as well. So that's a really neat feature to have, is in that respect. So neat thing that you can do with these though is if you've got these monitoring devices, we feature things on the website like the Invisalink 3 IP communicator or the IP Datatel IP BAT IP communicator. Those are really great for sending you notifications. So if you've got a fire or your house is flooding, your system will send you messages, text messages, email messages. The IP BAT will make it not only do those two things, but it will make an automated phone call to let you know what's going on. So lots of great stuff you can do with alarm systems nowadays, not just for burglary detection anymore. You can find a lot of different stuff on the website that we have for these systems in that vein. So another thing I wanted to talk to you about with the website is, you cruise through our website, you see a lot of products on there, but maybe there might be a time when you get there and there's something we don't have on the website. Call us up, talk to one of our salespeople. There's a lot of stuff that we can get that is not on the website. So if you have a part number or a description of what it does for the alarm system, talk to our sales folks. They'll research it, get you availability and pricing, and then we can special order it for you. So a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. Just want to let you know about it. So my name is John Burroughs with AlarmSystemStore.com. Look forward to seeing you again. Y'all have a good day. If you have any questions, give us a call, 888-811-0727. Talk to anybody that answers the phone. They'll be glad to help. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks.